guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. So let's start it. So if you want to turn on your two-step verification on WhatsApp, then what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application, and after opening up your WhatsApp application, just tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which is accounts, and then tap on this fourth option which is two-step verification, and then tap on turn on. And after tapping on turn on, now you have to create a 6-digit pin that you can remember. And after creating that 6-digit pin, now you have to confirm that 6-digit pin by re-entering it. After doing that, just tap on save. And after doing that, here you can see guys, you have successfully turned on your two-step verification. And now if you want to just turn off it, what you can do is just simply tap on turn off, and after tapping on turn off, your two-step verification will be turned off. You can also change the pin if you don't like, so just tap on change pin and then change a new pin if you don't like your current pin. So that's it guys, this is how to turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.